Be ready, respectful, and responsible.
Good afternoon, actually. Good afternoon. Right, like March we're in. The weather's changed, it's warm out there, ready to spring into action. As Principal Miller indicated, we were supposed to come in February to talk about Black History Month and equate three icons. President Obama being not that yet, but one that will be that soon. But this is what we're going to do now. And we're going to talk about the power of vision. The power of vision. And my name is Darren Howard. I'm with ESPID, which is a Entrepreneur Success Builders Network group. We believe in education and development programs. And we do that throughout the city, Maryland, D.C., and a little Virginia. Principles, I do a 12 successful principles, which focuses one another. And that's one of the things that we talk about all the time, is that we're easily distracted. I was just in Dr. Wing's class, and one of the students indicated that he was easily distracted. And that's why I believe at some point they need to allow tape recorders in because of the distractions that you have. And when you get home, you don't remember what the teacher gave you. Because that computer that you have in your mind is a tape recorder. And once you're distracted from whatever, sometimes you're thinking about the friend that you want to talk to, or where you want to go after school, and the teacher's talking, and you miss what's going on. So that recorder does not replay what you missed. And I think this would be very helpful to the students if they use it correctly, not as a tool. We use tools incorrectly sometimes that they give to us, but just as a resource to remember what's going on in the class, because the recorder that's in your brain is not activated. Now, the power of vision. The power of vision. It's three people that you have to convince of your vision first. Three people you have to convince of your vision first. And it's going to be a lot of, that's distractions that when we hear laughter, but I can move on because I'm focused. And that's what you're going to have to learn to master is focus. But it's three people that you need to convince about your vision. And that's me, myself, and I.